We're gonna have a little trip going to what's called the swamp sunflowers. It's a sunflower looking type flower that blooms during this time of the year. Right now we're in September going into October, so it's around this time of the year that they start blooming and popping out. It's a very beautiful flower. They end up looking really cool with the backdrop and the background of the St. John's River, and it's just a really cool looking flower for that area. So we're gonna go ahead and check that area out here in a moment. So just grab a drink and relax, ride along with us. Hey y'all, welcome to Orbiting the Neighborhood. We are here, like I said, surrounded by these beautiful swamp sunflowers. I'm gonna give you guys an overhead view of what these swamp flowers look like. As you can see, they are really cool looking flowers here. They're really tall. They're over 8 feet tall from what it is right here. You can see that they're very good pollinators. That bee right there. Okay. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look. We're gonna walk around here and enjoy the views of these sunflowers. I mean, they're really cool. All right, y'all. Welcome to Orbiting the Neighborhood. We're here along the edge of the floodplains of St. John's River, and Lake Monroe is over there. As you can see, it's about to storm, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this done as quick as I can. But here we have the beautiful swamp sunflowers. And so along the lake shores, you can see these bright yellow blossoms. These are swamp sunflowers, also known as, I'm gonna try to say this is the actual name of it, Helianthus agusflus. I don't know. Anyways, they are a Florida native. Okay. And they're a Florida native wildflower that really shows off in the fall. They love the wet marshy edges, which is, you can see down there, wet marshy edges of lakes, rivers, and ditches. They grow in big clusters that light up the whole landscape. Okay? They light up the whole landscape with gold, as you can see. Very beautiful. Very beautiful flowers. If you look close enough at each of the flowers, they have a dark brown center by those classic sunflower petals. I'm gonna get you guys as close as I can to the flowers. You can see. These flowers aren't just beautiful, they're also important to wildlife too. Like bees, butterflies, and other pollinators that come to feed on the nectar, and later in the season, the seeds will provide birds with food. I hope you guys can see the bees in down there, but there were a few of them. So, when you're driving around Central Florida in September and October, and you see these fields glowing yellow, chances are you're looking at swamp sunflowers putting on their seasonal show. I'm gonna keep walking down here, guys, so you guys can see the beauty and the nature that these sunflowers get to provide us. I really do love this time of the year when these sunflowers start to show, just because look at how beautiful they make the landscape. Speaking of awesomeness, look at this guy. Anyways, so like I said, I'm gonna keep walking. We're gonna keep looking at this awesome landscape. Try to outrun the rain. Look at this beautiful shot right here, guys. See if we can get a good view from my angle. Another beautiful shot here. beautiful. I love it.